Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling the Power Hour Clean. So if you don't know what that is, usually you pick about an hour to 2 hours a day, you put a timer on, and you just go at it, whether it's cleaning or working on a project or something like that. So for me, it's always cleaning, and usually it's when Jade goes down for her nap. So I put my 2-hour timer on my phone. I set everything up the way I like it, whether it's music, candles, whatever it is that you love to do to get you in the mood to start cleaning. And then I go ahead and start. Now, this is not for deep cleaning or decluttering. It is just to tidy up rooms and make sure that I've cleaned off countertops and things like that, or put laundry away, or any extra things that you need to get done. Maybe you didn't get them done the day before, that kind of stuff. So let's get started. Today I'm starting in the living room because this is the room we use the most and the kids usually mess up the quickest. Thankfully, today really all it was a lot of pillows and blankets on the floor, a couple things that need to get put in the wash, and maybe even some clothes that I had folded that I have not put away yet, and a couple toys. Jade doesn't really pull out a ton of toys, and the boys' toys stay in their room. So just had a couple things to pull up and make sure they get put away. And I only do 2 loads of laundry a day. I have cut it down to that. So I do 2 loads of laundry every single day, but at least I'm not overwhelmed with 3, 4, 5, 6 loads of laundry. If you guys have not watched my weekly cleaning routine or weekly cleaning schedule, I will leave that link down below. It is a great way to start implementing certain areas of the house or things that you need to have cleaned each day. For one, you're not overwhelmed. And number 2, a lot of things end up staying cleaner longer that way. So I'm not going to be dusting today because I have a day designated for that reason. I also will not be mopping today because I also have a day for that. You guys will notice I'll be in the bathroom kind of just cleaning off the countertops. I do clean the toilet just because we use that very often, and I have boys, and you know how that goes. So there are certain things that I don't need to do today, but the other things I need to do, like vacuuming, making sure I'm tidying up the house, cleaning off countertops, even doing a little bit of laundry and making sure that we put the laundry away. That's the kind of thing that I try to get done during my power hour. I hate having to take the trash out. Is definitely one of my least favorite things to do. But today it was just overflowing, and I also usually don't clean the trash can like I'm doing right now, but I had emptied out the vacuum cleaner and the dust eventually just went everywhere and not necessarily into the trash can. So I definitely need to clean all that dust and gross stuff off. Now that I have moved on into the kitchen, the first thing I do is make sure I empty out the dishwasher because I always end up having more dishes that need to be loaded in there. I swear y'all, I feel like I clean dishes, load and unload the dishwasher like 3 times a day, and I don't even know how that happens with just me and the 3 kids at home. My husband's not home till the night, so usually, nighttime we have dinner plates and stuff in there that get washed overnight. I don't know how this happens, but if you guys are like me, let me know down below. Do you end up having to wash dishes all day long?
So good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards, bruises covering my walls but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah.
Now that I've gotten the sink cleaned out, I'm going to make sure that I go ahead and clean the sink really well with this Mrs. Meyer baking soda formula. I love this stuff. I use it in my bathroom too sometimes, but especially in the kitchen sink. It just makes it smell really good, and it just really gives it a nice clean and shine.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah.
I also found another product through Mrs. Meyer's, and it's something that I put on after I've done cleaning this. You don't have to wipe it off or clean it off. You literally just pour it on there, rub it around, and it definitely gives it more of a shine, and it does smell really well.
If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me, keep myself inside the light.
When I clean in the kitchen, I always start with the dishes first. Second is cleaning off the countertops or baby girl's high chair because she is definitely a messy eater. Then I sweep the floors, and then I vacuum the rugs and even vacuum over the floors again. I feel like doing it that way really just helps it go smoother and quicker, and you're not worrying about, oh, you swept and then you did the countertops and now there's more stuff on the floor for you to pick up. Now it is time to start tidying up the master bedroom. Usually I try to get the bed made in the morning when I wake up, but that doesn't always happen, and that's okay. So now that I have the time, I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed, really just pick up around the room. This room I've really been able to keep pretty clean lately, so there's not a whole lot in there to pick up other than things that are thrown on the floor. Sometimes I find some toys in here that the kids brought in, or baby girl brought in her blankets, those kind of things. So making sure that and shoes are being put away and picked up. All right, we are now moving into the bathroom. This is the master bathroom for me and my hubby, but this is pretty much the bathroom that every single person in our house uses. I don't know why my kids don't want to use their bathroom. They love being in here with me, so I always end up having to clean this thing, at least the countertop and the sink from their toothpaste, almost every day if I have the time. So just tidying up the counter, making sure I clean off the counter, and of course the sink. I will end up Windexing the mirror as well, but just a little bit. There wasn't a whole lot to clean. And like I said before, I have to clean the toilet because, well, boys, I know you know what I mean. Since I already had the Windex in my hand, I decided to go back into my bedroom and clean off the two mirrors that are in my room. This circle mirror really wasn't that dirty, but the full-length mirror had baby handprints all over it. As you can see, I'm just sweeping around the rugs because, again, in my weekly cleaning video, I show y'all that there's a designated day for the bathroom where I actually wash the rugs and mop the floors, you know, do the bathtub, all of that kind of thing. Now that one load of laundry is done, I'm going to start another one and make sure this one is in the dryer, getting ready to be folded. Now I just need to make sure I fold, or at least start piling up the clothes. When I say piling up, I mean putting them in separate piles. So one for my hubby, one for me, one for the boys, one for my daughter, and making sure they get put where they need to be put. Hi. All right, y'all, that is the end of my power hour cleaning with me. I hope that you guys got some motivation. Obviously it's over because baby girl woke up, but she did sleep the full 2 hours, so I had the full 2 hours to get everything I needed to get done. The only thing that I have left to do really is the boys' room, put their clothes away and put her clothes away in their closet. But I'm gonna actually have the boys help me do that, and then they are going to make their beds and vacuum their own floor. They've actually been like doing that, so that's good. Oh, mamas. So now that she's up, I need to go get her some snacks. The boys are probably hungry too, so they're gonna get snacks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of stuff, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Say bye.
Oh! Say bye-bye.
Hi.
Good job. You hungry? Let's get some food.